InvestorIdeas.com podcast.
Good afternoon and welcome to another InvestorIdeas.com podcast, looking at cannabis news, stocks to watch, as well as insights from thought leaders and experts. Today we're looking at announcements from Namaste Technologies Incorporated, trading on the TSX Venture as N, KHRN Life Sciences Corporation, trading on the TSX Venture as KHRN, Cannabis Holdings Incorporated, trading on the TSX as TRST, Aurora Cannabis Incorporated, trading on the TSX as ACB and the OTCQB as ACBFF, and ICC Labs Incorporated, trading on the TSX Venture as ICC. First, looking at Namaste Technologies Incorporated, who announced that to further its April 25th announcement of this year, their letter of intent with Pineapple Express Delivery Incorporated, the company has now signed a subscription agreement to acquire 15% of the share capital of Pineapple Express Delivery Incorporated for $1 million. Additionally, Namaste is pleased to announce that Pineapple Express Delivery Incorporated has secured a courier service agreement with Ample Organics, Canada's leading seed-to-sale software platform, for same-day cannabis delivery. Both transactions validate Namaste's position as a leader in cannabis-focused technology platforms and further demonstrate Namaste's ability to identify these value-added services aimed at enhancing the user experience. Namaste is optimistic about its equity investment in Pineapple Express Delivery Incorporated and expects to see an immediate impact to the overall business operation. Next, looking at KHRN Life Sciences Corporation, a Canadian integrated medical cannabis company with its core operations in Colombia, who announced that the company has been registered by the Colombian Agricultural Institute as an agronomical unit. KHRN is one of two companies in Colombia to receive this registration. As a mandatory requirement for commercialization medical cannabis products in Colombia for distribution, this milestone positions KHRN to receive the first application of quota to commence commercialized cultivation of high THC strains and to commence commercial cultivation and production of CBD strains which do not require a quota. Next, going to Cannabis Holdings Incorporated, one of Canada's leading licensed producers of medical cannabis, announced the signing of an agreement with Kwantlen Polytechnic University, KPU, to collaborate to the ongoing development of the university's non-academic cannabis career training program. CanTrust, in partnership with KPU, will assist in the continued development of the cannabis career training program with the aim of providing students with the necessary work skills required for the industry's continually evolving demands. Delivered in an online format, the program is easily accessible and is in extremely high demand all across Canada. Aurora Cannabis Incorporated announced today that it intends to complete a $7 million investment in Choom Holdings Incorporated, trading on the CSE as CHOO, whereby Aurora will receive 9.8 million shares of Choom Treasury, priced at 71 cents per share, representing an 8% ownership interest in the company. Choom currently operates two late-stage applicants under the ACMPR regulations. Choom has agreements in place to acquire two additional late-stage applicant craft growers in BC and Saskatchewan, including a facility in Sook, British Columbia, anticipated to receive its cultivation license from Health Canada in the third quarter of this year. Finally, looking at ICC Labs Incorporated, who announced that KSK Labs, a 100% subsidiary of global group Kalapa, of which ICC Labs recently acquired 25%, subject to the TSX Venture Exchange approval, has closed pre-sale agreement with the Spain-based company Ven Pharma in order to distribute CBD products in Spanish pharmacies and drugstores. Ven Pharma is a laboratory specialized in natural medicine since its foundation in 1976, with more than 1,300 points of sale in Spain. The agreed first order is for 140,000 CBD products between sublingual CBD oils of 2% and 10%, CBD creams and infusions based on hemp to be distributed through 500 points of sale. The intention with the next order is to sell over 370,000 CBD products annually through the 1,300 points of sale. That's all for today's podcast. Podcast is now a certified word trademark on the blockchain through Cognate Incorporated CM certification. If you would like to be a guest or sponsor on this podcast, please contact InvestorIdeas.com. Investor Ideas reminds all listeners to read our disclaimers and disclosures on the InvestorIdeas.com website, and this podcast is not an endorsement to buy products or services or securities. Investors are reminded all investments involve risk and possible loss of investment.